welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be jacking up the A200d, or as some of you might know it, the W176. So jacking points, we're at the front of the car here. As you guys can see, the jacking point is actually going to be just right here. So you've got this flap, right under this flap. This is now the area you can jack it up there. And then if we go right underneath the cover, you've got this area here where the original Mercedes jacking. We're going to slide this right under. See where we're sitting. Start pumping. As you guys can see, the car is going up. Keep an eye on the jack, make sure it's priceless, honestly. These impact brakes, so good. Not too sure where the other bolt is, but stick that out in a bit.